Are you tired of getting rid of old, broken and not working electronic devices? Well, I sure am. So, welcome to episode 2 of Project Broken Tech, where we'll be taking a dead hard drive and repurposing it into a safe. Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Project Broken Tech, where we'll be taking old and not working electronics and converting them into something new. If you're new, my name is Prashant and I'm the host of Tech Scene ZA, the coolest tech-related YouTube channel where we do awesome reviews, mind-blowing unboxings, and amazing projects. So consider hitting the subscribe button to see more. So in episode 1, we actually converted an old dead motherboard into a clock. If you missed that, you can click up there in the YouTube cards and have a look at that. Today's video, we're actually going to be taking a dead hard drive and repurposing it into a safe. You can actually store money in it, as well as smaller valuables such as a ring and stuff like that. And it's so unsuspecting that even you might second guess yourself whether there's something even more valuable in there. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so all we need is actually the hard drive. And if you have a look at that, you can see it says it's failed. So this is actually of no value and it can be thrown away. Although it can be fixed, it costs a lot of money to be repaired and it's actually not worth it. So you'd rather throw it away. So instead of throwing it away, I decided to make it a part of Project Broken Tech. And there's also another part, there's also something else we can turn a dead drive into. I have a few more dead drives. So you will be seeing more dead drives in Project Broken Tech. So with this one, all we're going to be needing is of course our drive and a screwdriver with a particular bit to open up all the screws. So all we have to be doing is actually opening up the hard drive. So it is actually a special bit. It's not a flat or a star. So it might not be easy for everyone to kind of do this. But all we have to do is open it up. There, and then it's actually not very easy to open this because the drive is pressure sealed to prevent any dust and stuff. So it is actually a sealed unit, but what we're going to be doing is actually separating the seal, and there we go. Not that hard to separate the seal. Oh, I missed a screw. So of course this is a learning experience to you. Look out for screws underneath the label. So I found my screw. All I have to do is put my screwdriver in there and it should catch a hold. Okay, so there we go. Right, so that's that. And it should be removable. There we go. Okay, so if we have a look at this, this is just after we've removed our top cover. This is the platter, and that is where your data is actually stored. And this tiny thing here that moves is what reads and writes your data to and from your drive. Right, and then you see there's a little ribbon cable coming to this, and this connects to all these electronics which actually connect to your computer. So what we're going to be doing is actually removing all the screws on the inside as well as all of this so that we have enough space in here to store our stuff. Right? So let's go ahead and do that. So most of the pieces have been taken out. We've taken out this so far. This is as I said, the reader. The reader, you can't really reuse it. So we're going to discard that. This, if we separate it, it's a really strong pair of magnets, which can be, and our luckiness, one of the magnets have been removed. and has now broken. So we can actually reuse these magnets in any other user case. Alright, so let's put that aside. And the last thing I'm going to take out is, of course, the platter. As I said, the platter is what the data is written and read from. So you can't really do much with this, but the one thing that you can do is actually use this as a mirror. I know. This can be reused as a mirror. Okay, so let's put that aside. And now we have our empty drive cage. Okay, so now, as I said, we removed all the insides of our drive. And this is quite a deep drive, so we can store quite a bit of stuff in it. So, as I said, you can store your money, of course. So I have 250 Rand of mine just lying around. So I'm going to fold it and put it in here. And obviously, space is quite a tight thing when you... Okay, so obviously we can't put it in one fold. We have to make 2 folds. Alright. And 2. So that is 250 Rand of mine stashed in there, as well as a ring. A couple more rings. Alright, the rings actually don't belong to me, but they were given to me for safekeeping. So let's put it in there. And all we're going to have to do is close our drive back. Okay, so I'm putting this the wrong way. So let's put that like that. And we don't even have to put 4 drives back. 4 screws back. All we have to do is put at least 2 just to make sure it closes shut. Because who is going to suspect that there's 3 rings and 250 Rand kept in this drive? But if you are a paranoid person and want to put the other 2 screws in, you are more than welcome to. It's not actually 2 screws, it's actually 6 screws that go on the drive. So you can actually put all 6 back on, but just for this video I'm going to be putting the 4 screws back on. And voila! See, as you can hear, that is the rings. But if the easiest way to actually keep something like this safe is actually putting it into your tower and hooking it up to make it look like it actually works. So no one would suspect, even if you keep 2,000 Rand worth in there, no one's gonna actually suspect that. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, get subscribed to see more awesome content from TechSceneZA. In the comment section, let me know if you have any video ideas or projects for me. Find us on social media, being Facebook as well as Twitter, to see some awesome memes that we share, which will keep you laughing. Guys, thanks for watching once again. I'll see you same time, same place next week.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.